I'm going to show the new search results in XCloud. So the search results are for the talent community. So if I click in there, okay, so you can see the search now is more streamlined. So we have about 10,000 people in this XCloud. So if I type Mark, this will still search through the profiles for everybody with the name Mark. And you can see I get 83 results. I can also type Mark Eichholt more specifically and I get 4 results, okay? So this right here searches through the profile for whatever you put in. If I put in manager, I'll get over 2,000 people with the word manager somewhere in their profiles. Now this search also supports Boolean search. Now if you're not certain about Boolean search, you can go to this link here and click here, and it'll show you a page like this, where it gives you the basics of Boolean search, where you can use field names, you can use parentheses, you can use brackets, and and or operators, wildcards. At the bottom also, there's a list of the basic fields you might want to search for. So the reason this is important is, again, if I want to search Mark, I get 83 results of people who have put Mark in their profile. But maybe actually what I'm looking for is someone with the first name Mark. And that's only 30 results, okay? So that's where Boolean can be better, all right? Now, we also have must not have. Okay, what that means is it will search for profiles that do not have a word. So if you remember, we have 10,000 results here. If I type in manager, there's 7,000 results where manager is not in the profile. So again, if I go back here to first name Mark, sorry, clear all. If I go back here to first name Mark, I have 30 results. If I type in manager and not have, 21 of them do not have manager in their title. So that's not have, okay? And you can always go up here to clear all, and you can always go here to load your last search, okay? Location will tell you location you want to search for, and you should always pull from the pull down, okay? So here's 51 results of people who are within 10 miles of Boston. Now, if I expand that out to say 50 miles, I get more results. So you can also move this geo radius between 0 and 100 miles, okay? You can also search on candidates that are internal. In other words, they're employees. They're external, meaning they applied through the career site. Or they're recruiters, meaning a recruiter entered them manually. You can also put in a date range for join date. Now, one of the new features is you can edit custom fields. And this is where you can search by country, you can search by alumni, employees, people who are unsubscribed. So out of our 10,000 people, there's 2,319 people who are unsubscribed. Now this takes us back to Boolean. Let's say you want to search people that are subscribed. Okay, so I'm going to clear the custom fields. And if I go over here to my Boolean search, you can see that subscribed is one of the fields. It's unsubscribe _ check, and it's true or false. So if I go up here to Boolean, and I type false, I get my 2,319 results of people that are unsubscribed. But if I type true, these are the people that have actually subscribed. So if I go into Deep T Poly, you can see that Deep T Poly is subscribed. And if I change this to false, I get my 2,319, and you can see they're unsubscribed. So this is the new search functionality that's much more robust and includes Boolean searches as well as custom fields.